Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to download and play Mobile Legends on your computer using GameLoop Emulator. Well, to do that, go to the official GameLoop website, which is gameloop.com, and download the emulator. Install the software on your computer by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch GameLoop on your computer. On the main screen, you'll find a search bar. In the search bar, type Mobile Legends and press enter. The emulator will display search results related to Mobile Legends. Click on the Mobile Legends icon in the search result. GameLoop will then download and install Mobile Legends automatically. Install and launch Mobile Legends. After the download is complete, click on the Install button. Once the installation is finished, click Start to launch Mobile Legends. Mobile Legends on GameLoop may require some adjustments for optimal performance. So go to the game settings to customize controls, resolutions, and graphics according to your preferences. Then sign in to your Mobile Legends account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. This ensures that your progress is saved. With the installation and settings configured, you're ready to start playing Mobile Legends on your computer using GameLoop, and enjoy the game with the convenience of a large screen and the precision of mouse and keyboard controls. And that's how to download and play Mobile Legends on your computer using GameLoop Emulator. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.